What's going on, you guys? Jay the Tank Official here. Just wanted to go ahead and explain to you guys what my watch list is for this week, some stocks I'm going to be watching, some setups, and some stuff that can help you guys out. Now, the platform I do use to chart is going to be TradingView, which you guys can see on screen. It is absolutely free if you guys want to download it or get it on your website. It's absolutely free, guys. If you guys want to pay for it, you're more than welcome to. I pay for it because, again, I have the premium version of it. It gives you more indicators. It gives you faster, I think, data, stuff like that. And it's a very good platform, right? If I'm making money off of trading, I'm going to reinvest in myself, whether that's the software, other things, mentors, stuff like that. With that being said, guys, again, we're going to start off by looking at SPY from the weekly standpoint. It looks super, super good to me on the weekly standpoint. Now, a lot of people like to break their charts down from the dailies, right? That's not bad. You can look at the chart from the daily setup and be like, okay, this looks like an tight wedge, right? But when you look at it from a weekly standpoint, you start to gain a more accurate perspective on what's going to happen in the bigger time frame. So if you're trading 0 DTEs, that's totally okay. Look at the daily chart, look at your setup, that's fine. However, for me, since I'm trading weekly contracts, I love to see when stocks break out of the weekly charts, and that is what gives me the most risk to reward in a sense. So looking at SPY, right, from the weekly standpoint, we see that it's making higher lows here, right? And we previously just retested a breakout, right? We broke out of here, now we retested it. Previous resistance becomes support, as you guys can see here. So now we are basically beginning to tighten up in a coil, right, in a wedge. We're coiling in this wedge. I like to call it coiling because it's like a little, like if you guys remind, like a spring, right? It's coiling. It's just in the circle, like going in the same place, whatever. So that's what I see happening here, right? It's just going in the same place, not really moving too much, staying between 600 and 590. So with that being said, guys, what I want to see on SPY is either a move over this level, which is going to be 600 and 250, right? If I want to see SPY move over this level of 600 and 250 to go to all-time highs, or I'll show you guys right here, to go to all-time highs at 610, 608 to 610, or I want to see SPY close below, break and close below this level right here of 582, right? So if SPY breaks and holds below, what that means is if we get a candle that comes down here and closes below this level, then I'll take shorts on SPY. However, if we get a long candle above $602, I'm going to be long SPY. I'm going to take some monthly contracts, maybe like 2 months out, 1 month out, 4 weeks out if you really want to, and basically just hold these as a swing trade. I think Trump coming into office is going to take a huge role into these contracts running, whether you like it or not, guys. I think we are in for another bull market. The markets are not done just yet, right? If you guys are looking at the S&P 500, we've been steadily climbing every single day, every single week, right? So we'll have those dips like we did in 2020, like we did in 2022, right? These dips are always going to happen. However, we eat the dips, right? You grab your chip and you scoop the dip up. Yeah, guys, love you guys so much. This is what I'm looking at right now. $602 for the break above, $582 for the break below. Now, anything can happen, guys. Anything can happen. It can still coil in here for fucking 2 years for all I know, or for all I care. It can do that. But yeah, that's one of the setups I'm watching. Another huge setup that I'm watching going into the next week is going to be ARM, guys. If you guys have seen ARM, it's been very stagnant, right? Again, what I'm talking about is that coiling, right? We've been coiling in the same area for a very long time. When stocks tend to do that, they have a massive breakout. Now, whether that's to the upside or downside, it doesn't matter. I'm here to capitalize on that. I have alerts set on ARM, guys. I'm waiting for a breakout above this level of $155. Once we break above $155, I will be taking some call options on this. Roughly around 2 weeks out, 4 weeks out. I'm getting a call from someone right now. I'm going to go ahead and put that down. But yeah, guys, I'm looking to take some calls on ARM above $155 to take it into 160, 170, around that area. If you guys can see here, this will be my price target. Boom. Boom. And yeah, and then if we do take this to the downside, guys, I would love to take it under. Let me show you guys. I would love to take it under I would love to take it under 120, guys. So again, ARM has a lot of potential. I'm gonna wait for the break and setup of this, or just patiently wait for the break and break and retest. Again, have patience on these setups, guys. They come overnight or they don't come overnight. It doesn't matter. I will literally just set an alert, wait for my alert to get triggered, and then take that setup. Whether that's 2 months from now, a month from now, 2 weeks from now, a day from now, doesn't matter. Have patience and have conviction in your setups. Another true setup that I like right now is going to be eBay. This is the last one that I'm going to give you guys for the week because I'm giving too much sauce right now. I'm giving too much sauce. If you guys want my trades, if you guys want to copy my trades, I'm going to put the link to my Discord in the description. Go ahead and join that. Like I said, I go live every Monday through Friday for absolutely free, kick.com/optionsbuffett. But if you guys want more in-depth trades, more in-depth education, go ahead and join the free Discord, or not the free Discord, the private Discord, which I will drop a link to in the description. But yeah, so the last setup we're going to be going over is going to be eBay, guys. This is a killer setup, guys. This is a killer setup. eBay looks super good on the higher time frames. If we're breaking this down from the weekly setup, again, what do you guys notice, right? What do you guys notice? I told you guys I look for breakouts. I'm not lying. This stock is literally breaking out of a massive 3-week coil, or like 3-month coil. So yeah, basically 120 days, 3-4 month coil. It's been coiling up for 3 to 4 months. We had that breakout now, and in 1 week, guys, this stock has moved now 15%. So again, that's what I'm talking about. When it comes to these little coiling moves, you want to wait for it to coil up, essentially build that wedge, and then take it right before it breaks out. This will ultimately cause you guys to have the most success. That way you're only taking stuff when it breaks out, right? So in hindsight, you're not taking losers. But yeah, guys, like I said, have a lot of patience, have conviction in your trades. Not always are they going to go right away. I'm sure eBay had a little bit of pullbacks along the way. Actually, it didn't. Look at that, guys. It absolutely gapped up crazy. But yeah, with that being said, guys, I'm watching eBay for some calls. All-time highs is literally around the corner, guys. It's $76, so literally around the corner. What I want to see eBay break, guys, ultimately before I get into this, is going to be that $73 level, right? 73 for 72, whatever you want to call it. That's what I want to see it break, and then I'll take it to all-time highs and beyond. All-time highs on this stock is, again, $75, $76. It can absolutely hit it within the next 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks. So I'm going to be taking 4 week out calls on this stock once it gets above that price of $73. With that being said, guys, that is my watch list. That is what I'm holding. Or not what I'm holding, what I'm basically have alerts on, and I'm going to be looking to hold into the next few weeks. But yeah, guys, this is my watch list: eBay, SPY, and ARM. If you guys want to copy my trades, like I said, I go live every single Monday through Friday for free on Kick at kick.com/optionsbuffett, 9:25 a.m. Eastern Standard Time every single day, guys. So yeah. If we go back to SPY 2, guys, another thing that I want to preface is a lot of times people get scared when we have 1% red days, right? You guys have to understand, we had a huge dip in 2020 where we went down over 33%. I believe it was. Yeah, 34%, 33%, literally, as you guys can see on screen. I literally said that. We went down crazy in literally 4 weeks, 27 days. So have patience, guys. Have patience. We've only went down, right, in the past week or 2 weeks, whatever you want to call it. Say 3%. So for people to say that the markets are crashing is a literal understatement, guys. These people don't know what they're talking about. Do not listen to them. They will make you lose money. Besides from that, love you guys. That's my watch list. Follow me on Twitter at Optionsbuffett. I go live every Monday through Friday. Love you guys so much. Thank you guys for watching today's video. It is your boy Optionsbuffett, and I'm out of here, guys. Peace, peace, peace.